general them are go and install a window. So you can check them out. And what the company name again?
Hardknocks, windows and doors.
Yeah man, so you hear that my peeps, so check them out on TikTok. I'll put them number in the description. Yeah man, I'll put them number in the description, my peeps, so you can check them out. Them reliability up. As I say from the previous vlog. When them say them a come, and them reasonable. And when they say reasonable, them neat on them work. So you can see me peeps, you know, the window them, you know, but you know, yeah, I love it. Yeah, them a give me money worth. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, that's our thing. Say, you know, yeah. Yeah man, the man are serious for them thing. Yeah man. Quality work, no quantity business we deal with, you know, cause, you know, we work hard and when you have whole heap of sardine and crackers if you reach them days, yeah. You know what I mean? So quality work, you know, satisfy. Now I tell them no lie my peeps, you know? Yeah man. Satisfy, so yeah man, believe. Don't joke. Yeah man. More to come. Stay tuned. Yeah man, still there. I'm not gone yet. But as I say my peeps, just take it from me. White people we bring in us, so take it from me. Yeah man, just like how white people believe in me and them know me, I mean know them money and them come in and you know we there and them safe going in and you know? Yeah. The Jah guide them going in. Yeah man. Stay tuned, my people. Yeah man.